Welcome to the HVN Earth News Daily Worldwide Volcano and Earthquake Updates. We are focusing on the most threatening volcanoes and significant earthquakes that impact our daily lives. Here are the updates for today. There are 2 volcanoes that erupted and 2 ongoing volcanoes with volcanic ash cloud warnings. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center in Tokyo, VAAC, issued the following report for the Ebeko Volcano in the Kuril Islands in Russia. Eruption at November 12, 2018 at 23:08 Universal Time. Volcanic ash flight level 10,000 feet. Extended northeast, observed volcanic ash. Date time November 12th at 12:10 Universal Time. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, Darwin, VAAC, issued the following report for the Krakatau Volcano in Indonesia. Volcanic ash eruption to flight level 3,000 feet. Moving north, observed volcanic ash. Date and time November 12, 2018 at 23:15 Universal Time. Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, Darwin, VAAC, issued the following report for the Dukono Volcano in Indonesia. Continuous volcanic ash emission to flight level 6,000 feet. Estimate volcanic ash. Date time November 13, 2018 at 4:15 Universal Time. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, Washington, VAAC, issued the following report for the Reventador Volcano in Ecuador. New volcanic ash emissions. The remark in the report, satellite imagery shows thin volcanic ash plume near volcano moving southeast 20 knots. Webcam shows sporadic puff. Emissions of volcanic ash to flight level 27,000 feet. Strong magnitude 6.3 North Atlantic Ocean earthquake was 70 kilometers or 43.5 miles to the closest plate boundary of the North American, South American oceanic spreading ridge. The hypocenter depth of this shallow earthquake was 10 kilometers or just 6.2 miles from the point within the Earth where the earthquake rupture started. This was a significant earthquake because of its location in the middle of the ocean in an oceanic spreading ridge. The seafloor spreading occurs along mid-ocean ridge with large mountain ranges rising from the ocean floor. Seafloor spreading is a process that occurs at mid-ocean ridges, where new oceanic crust is formed and then gradually moves away from the ridge. The diagram below shows how seafloor spreading happens. This moderate magnitude 4.7 felt underwater earthquake shook the INGEMMET region. The hypocenter depth of this shallow earthquake was 10 kilometers or just 6.2 miles from the point within the Earth where the earthquake rupture started. The earthquake is significant because it is in a seismically active region with the closest plate boundaries in both the Aegean Sea Africa subduction zone and the Aegean Sea Eurasia continental convergent boundary, distance 30 kilometers. That makes it a prime target in a seismically active region. Check out the testimony of a witness below, just 31 kilometers east of the epicenter. It says, "House shook, including my bed. Difficult to get back to sleep after these quakes." This moderate magnitude 4.4 felt earthquake shook the Dominican Republic. The hypocenter depth of this shallow earthquake was 10 kilometers, or just 6.2 miles from the point within the Earth where the earthquake rupture started. This earthquake is very significant because it was 40 kilometers northwest of a major fault line that runs way deep in the Atlantic, the Puerto Rican Trench, across the northern part of the country and on west to Guatemala. That fault system holds the potential for producing another devastating earthquake, quite possibly larger than the one that struck in Haiti in 2010. Which killed 314,000 people and toppled thousands of homes and was due to dangerous seismic activity along the fault system. In the Journal of Geophysical Research, Volume 116, B1231, hydrodynamic models show the large earthquakes on the North American Caribbean subduction zone have the potential to cause transoceanic tsunamis that will impact the United States East Coast, Western Europe, and nearby Caribbean islands. According to the USGS, the entire fault system appears to be seismically active. Haiti and the Dominican Republic should prepare for future devastating earthquakes. Check out the testimony of the witness below, just 18 kilometers east of the epicenter. The message reads, "He felt strong, but without material damage." This moderate 4.5 felt underwater earthquake shook the INGEMMET region. The hypocenter depth of this shallow earthquake was 10 kilometers, or just 6.2 miles from the point within the Earth where the earthquake rupture started. The earthquake is significant because of its location. The earthquake happened very close to the Aegean Sea Africa subduction zone, a distance of 20 kilometers. Look at all the yellow circles that show massive earthquake activity in that one area. Check out the testimony of a witness below, just 76 kilometers north of the epicenter. It says, "Slow but lasted, and the displacement was considerable." This moderate magnitude 4.0 felt earthquake shook the central Peru region. The hypocenter depth of this shallow earthquake was 48 kilometers, or just 29.8 miles from the point within the Earth where the earthquake rupture started. This earthquake is significant because the country it is located in is a dangerous seismic zone. This earthquake was 21 kilometers northeast of Cusco, Peru. This area is one of deep concern in that region. For example, on January 15, 2018, a magnitude 7.3 earthquake shook Peru. The hypocenter depth of this shallow quake was 12.1 kilometers, about 7.5 miles, killing 2 people and injuring 65 others. The jolt damaged roads and homes, and authorities warned the death toll could rise. Also on September 29, 2014, at least 8 people have died in an earthquake in southern Peru. A 4.9 magnitude earthquake hit the Cusco region. That area is known for seismic activity since it is the interface between the Nazca and South American tectonic plates, which is located near the Peruvian coast. They were fortunate that no damage or casualties happened in this particular earthquake. Check out the testimony of the witness below, just 21 kilometers southwest of the epicenter. The message reads, "No damage seen."